Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, most fulfilled version of ourselves. Be sure to hit the red button down below, like and share this video. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to a new food vlog, and this time I am sharing with you the best recipe for Brussels sprouts. I used to not like Brussels sprouts, but now it's one of my favorite vegetables. It's easy to make like my other recipes and only 4 ingredients. We have the Brussels sprouts, of course, then the extra virgin olive oil, and then the sea salt, and my favorite ingredient, the nutritional yeast. This is so good. You can practically add it to everything. It will make your food delicious. So here we go. First step is to wash the Brussels sprouts in warm water to remove grit and dirt. And then cut the Brussels sprouts in half, remove the tough part and discard, and keep the leaves that fall off. It's fabulous, roasted, delicious. Next step is to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next step is to place the Brussels sprouts in a baking sheet or pan, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and salt. Using your hands, mix to coat the Brussels sprouts completely. Next step is to arrange the sprouts to the inside part flat on the pan. Then bake for 25 to 30 minutes till it's brownish, crunchy, not burned. Sprinkle with nutritional yeast on top. And this is the finished product. It's crunchy, full of flavor. It's healthy, loaded with phytonutrients and antioxidants, a great healthy snack or a side dish. It's simply delicious. Enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Keep cooking, be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.